In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a formula to many cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're tackling a simple budget or analyzing a large data set, mastering this technique can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Google Sheets and access the spreadsheet that you're working on. You can do this by going to sheets.google.com and selecting the document you need from your list of files. If you don't have your spreadsheet yet, you can start a new one by clicking on the plus icon in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. This will open a blank spreadsheet for you. Once you're in your Google Sheet, identify the cell where you want to input your formula. Click on the cell to make it active and go ahead and enter the formula. Don't worry if you're new to formulas, it's pretty straightforward. Start with an equal sign, which alerts Google Sheets that you're entering a formula. After that, you can type in the function you want to use, like sum, average, or any other you need for your data. Follow this with the range or the specific cells you want the formula to apply to inside parentheses. For example, sum A1, A10 will add up everything from cells A1 through A10. Now that you've entered your formula, it's time to apply it to multiple cells. This is where the drag feature really comes in handy. Go to the cell where you've entered your formula. You'll notice a small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This square is called the fill handle. Click on it and, keeping your mouse pressed down, drag it over the range of cells you want to fill with the formula. Release the mouse button, and just like that, the formula is applied to all the selected cells, and Google Sheets will automatically adjust the reference in your formula relative to each cell's position. This feature is a great time saver, especially if you're working with a long column or row of data. If you ever need to modify or correct your formula, simply go to the original cell, make your changes, and repeat the drag process. It's a good practice to double-check your results to ensure that everything looks correct. If you see any issues, it's often due to incorrect references or ranges, which you can easily fix by editing the formula and reapplying it. Applying formulas to multiple cells this way is a powerful tool in Google Sheets, promoting efficiency and accuracy in your work. So go ahead, experiment with different formulas, and see how they can enhance your spreadsheet projects. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.